What's up, Namblers? In this video, we're going to be making our own chili flakes. This is a pantry staple that I use to spice up my recipes. You can use any dried chili or even dehydrate your own. This month, I'm experimenting with these Japanese chilies found at my local market. You can try chilies de arbol or Thai chilies if you like it hot. I like to try different chilies. Some smaller, brighter ones are more spicy. Other larger, darker colored chilies can be sweeter. Toasting your chilies is optional, but I highly recommend it to activate the oils. For chili flakes, we'll leave it as a coarse grind. For chili powder, simply grind away to your heart's content. And there you have it, custom chili flakes to sprinkle on all the foods. Comment to let me know what you'd sprinkle these on. Be sure to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.